In this video, we are going to learn how we can accept or how we can get input from user. We can get input from user into two ways. One is easy way by window.prompt and one is professional way by HTML text. First, let's work with easy way. At the first, I want to write a variable. For example, let's use name. After that, let's write window.prompt parentheses. Inside the parentheses, let's write something. For example, enter your name. Now let's see. Enter your name. You can write whatever you want. For example, I want to write simple code. Okay. And when I write simple code, this simple code is stored inside the username. Now let's see after that, let's see the username. What is the display or what is the output of username? Let's write console.log. Inside of the parentheses, username, and close it. Now let's write something here. For example, simple code. Okay. Yes, it works well. Now let's work with a professional way. In professional way, first of all, let's go to the HTML. In HTML, let's write something. Header one. Inside the header one, I want to write welcome. After that, let's write input. Type of input, text, and let's choose an ID for this, my input. After that, let's close this, but user doesn't know what kind of input do we want from him. Let's write a label for this. Inside the label, let's write your name. Now it works well. After that, let's make a submit button. Let's choose an ID for this, submit. Let's write something here, submit. Let's go to our JavaScript file. In JavaScript file, first of all, let's write a variable. Let's use the name. Because when the user writes something here, it should store inside the username. Now let's write document.getElementById, parentheses. Inside the parentheses, we have to write the ID of our submit button. Because when the user click on the submit button, some task should be performed. On click. When the user click on the submit button, something will be happen. After that function, will the user click on the submit button, this function should be performed. Username equal to document.getElementById. Inside the parentheses, let's write the ID of our input field. My input. Let's write it here, and we want to take the value of that. We have to write value and close that. Now let's see. Let's write something here. I want to write simple code. Submit. Yes. Now let's see the output of username. Console.log username. Now let's write simple code. It's okay. Now let's submit. Yes, it works. But I want to change this. When the user click on submit button, it appear on the top. You can write it like this. Document.getElementById. I want to choose an ID for my header one. For example, I want to choose H. Just great, easy. Inside of this, let's write H. After that, dot inner HTML equal to, let's write something. For example, hello. After that, that username, that things that user wrote it at the input field. Now let's save and see. I'm right here, for example, simple code in lowercase. Now submit. Hello from simple code.